Hello, good afternoon. I want to thank you for the International GEA Eco-Agro Conference organized in Podgorica, Montenegro, for accepting my participation under the title Analysis of the Fracturing, Organ and Associated Tectonic Structuring in the HERCYNIAN MASSIF of MOULAY, Western MESETA, Morocco, presented by me, Ammar OUDY, and Hassane OUAZZANI, my uncle, my director and doctor. Introduction. The MOULAY MASSIF is located this figure. Yes, MASSIF. This figure subdivision of Central Morocco geological framework of the MOULAY MASSIF. The MOULAY MASSIF is located on the borders of two distinct structural units. The Hassane anticlinarian says anticlinarian mass with direction northeast southwest to the west, and the Farhad synclinarian to the east. It says the Farhad synclinarian. The massive OUAZZA situated between two unit structures. These two entities differ in the ancient massif of the Western MESETA distinct structure and intensity of deformation. The soil mass oxidation remains the most important structural element that separated from Paleozoic terrain are affected by alphons and metamorphic and post-metamorphic forms. The Paleozoic terrain balances the geological map of the MOROCCO region, the granite of MOULAY, situated in the MOROCCO fault, the direction northeast southwest. The Paleozoic terrains are affected by alphons and metamorphic and post-metamorphic faults. The granitic mass outskirts on the surface and surface and which generally scale major faults. This in the case of the MOULAY granite along the irregular roaming. This is irregular roaming, great falls the OUAZZA granite in the median anticlinarian and that of Ademus in the eastern synclinarian. The structural study of MOULAY shares on the geological map that we have established shows the existence of large overlap with a preferential direction north-northeast, south-southwest. From northeast southwest, the deformation which affected the opposition terrain and remained the most important way that which affected the Silurian and Carboniferous terrains remain of minor importance. The MOULAY falls to OUAZZA. This figure marked the correlation between the different geologic sections around the MOULAY fault. The MOULAY fault and its main branch therefore remain a structural element which played a preponderant role in the strengthening of the zone and probably in the occlusion of the MOULAY granite and its surface. The structural section in the geologic section of rare roaming. The structural section shows the southeast the presence of the granite and its metamorphic alloy. At irregular roaming, a reversible faults allow the overlap toward the northwest of the orthogonal quartz sandstone on the cellular chain at the extreme northwest. The reverse fault of Hassane allow to the overlay toward the south end of the orifice inland on the of the cylinder. The analysis of fracturing, folding, and associated tectonic structure in the region and mammalian chest and naked chest will find microplanes which have probably undergone a regional metamorphosis. On a matrix scale, faults which on axial plane which a slight dip toward northwest draw overlay towards the southeast. These deformations are accompanied by faults which are southern versions. The mirror wave is the tectograph of the main fault model. Each one even Rome and Hassane are rotational faults show mirror on the planes ranging from a depth of 39 to 70 degrees. These mirrors record straight with pitch ranging from 70 to ice to 90 to ice. Figures 7. The microplan and fracture in the chest and the mega chest of organogram. And figure 9 to is one chestosity in the Hassane ciliary chair. The different tectonic microstructures are still well observed at the scale of the 10 section. We have a light and a linear stringing system in the chairs of anatomy compatible. We do and grace in the concept of deformation, clear quartz and feldspar level chow with asteroid microclimate. The tectonic microstructure observed in the level of the dense section A and micro pattern of a clear level within a megaseous matrix deformation. And B, this is the phenomenon of body image. The summary of the main deformation phase in the modified as MASSIF. The local evolution of the ovaries deformation phase along the modified fault GEA and the local evolution of the mesovaries deformation phase along the modified fault D2 and the local evolution of the neovaries deformation phase along the modified D3. Discussion on the whole, it's until the three phases of main tectonic deformation. The first phase of ovaries deformation is crystal faults in conspiracy care. The second phase of mesovaries deformation, the transgressive region is taken up by a major compression phase during the visit. Finally, the compressive region was renewed in a dexterous main shear system with pressure revealed after tectonic and deformed zone. The conclusion, the three main phases of deformation in the modified region compatible and contemporary with the different phases of local Venesian crossing to Meseta and general in the central part of the western Meseta. And thank you for your attention.